It's John McLaughlin. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to develop your email list using lead magnets. I appreciate that you've probably put in content out there and you're not getting much of a response back. Let me tell you, it's not your content. It's not your niche. It's just the fact that you haven't given people an opportunity to put their hand up and say, yes, give me some more information. So when you look at this video and you're going to really understand, really understand how to develop a list of email subscribers and get people to actually talk to. And this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be showing you how to put a basic landing page together for a giveaway, for a lead magnet. Now the first thing that you might say is, well, I did a bit of research, John, and lead magnets don't really work anymore. And what I will say is that if you do them in the right way and you understand who your audience is, yes, they actually do. And I'm going to walk you through exactly my process. What you can see here on the screen is my newest kind of sales funnel. This is a landing page that I put together. And one of the things I'll say about landing pages is that simpler you make them, the more they will convert. And even down to this, I put a video on there because I like to do video and I wanted people to get to know, like, and trust me. And the quickest way to do that is with video. So what I'm going to do, I'll walk you through exactly what I did, exactly why I did the things I did, and also walk you through some of the basic psychology that's involved in something as simple as this. So what you can see is the headline. So a simple daily routine to build a second income online after retirement. Now the first thing I'll say is to put something together that's going to be effective, you need to really understand who your audience is. Understand the people that you're talking to, what their pain points are, and the solutions that you bring for them, the solutions that you can give them. It's as simple as that. Now, if you're brand new and you don't really understand who your audience is, then there are certain things that we can do to go and find out who that audience is. But the easiest thing to do right now is just to look at yourself. Just to look at the pain points that you had, the trials and tribulations that you went through, and the conclusions that you came to arrive at where you are now as an online business owner, because those are real and those will be reflected in many other people who you are going to attract, because you attract people who are just like you. Okay, so that's the shortcut to understanding who your audience is. So what I've done here, I put a video together, and the video is 2 minutes long. Okay, so what I did on this video is I had a script and I stuck to the script as best as I could, and I kind of worked on it, and I just gave people the points that I wanted, the pain points, the solutions, and the next call to action. Okay, so you've got to keep it really succinct and to the point. The next thing I've got on the video, so if you look at the video on here, what I did, I go through different sort of scenes, and then towards the end I talk about the actual lead magnet. Okay, so I say, look, I've got this lead magnet which is really going to help you, and it's called the Simple Daily Routine for Affiliate Marketers Over 50. And what that brings me to another point about congruency. So make sure everything that you do and say is congruent. So the headline of the page is the headline of the lead magnet giveaway. The thing about the lead magnet giveaways, again, keep those really simple, keep them really short, and stick to the rule of one. And what I mean by that is stick to one target audience, one objective, and one solution that you provide in your lead magnet. If you provide more than one, then that information can become overwhelming. And also the lead magnet can become too bulky. Now, a few years ago, I used to think it was really clever to put as many pages together as I could. I remember my very first lead magnet, it took me 48 hours of non-stop typing, downloading everything I knew into a manual. It was 74 pages. It was a good manual, okay, but it was way too long and way too involved for anyone to really make any sense of it. So have one objective. This is the one objective. Go and do that. Okay. And that's what I do. So what I say in the video is go and click the button to learn more. So I go and click the button there, and what it does, it gives people a pop-up. Right? Now, why a pop-up? Why not just go straight to the download? Okay, well, the pop-up, looking at the psychology, it taps into what we call commitment and consistency. So what it means is like with small commitments come bigger commitments and more consistency. So by the fact that somebody has clicked, so let's say somebody comes from YouTube, okay, they're already pre-framed, their mindset is watching video. So they come to a landing page, which is a video, which is a natural continuation of what they've already been doing. So there's no real barrier. So they click it, they watch the video, it says download it. So already they're clicking and looking and consuming, forming part of that commitment and consistency theory. They go and click the button, again, another commitment, which then leads them to, oh, well, there's the daily routine. I'll go and download it, enter their details. So we're looking for bigger and bigger and bigger commitments. And essentially, we want them to enter their name, enter their information, and yes, click and access. Now, here's the thing. When people access it, you deliver whatever you're giving them via email. And this gets rid of any bots, it gets rid of any spam, and also makes sure your email list remains clean. So that's really important to do that. So here's a little schematic you can see. So first of all, we've got the lead magnet opt-in. Okay. The next thing we do is as they go and opt in, it goes to the lead magnet delivery, which then gets delivered via email. So number one, you've got people on your list, and then takes them through to the thank you page. So what is the thank you page? A lot of conjecture about what the thank you page should be. And don't think the thank you page is you going, thanks very much, really appreciate it, talk soon. Okay, it's not really designed to do that unless you're doing something like a webinar. But even though, what I would do is give people more information about what they're downloading, because they're already pre-framed. They want more information. They've just signed up to your thing. Okay, they want more information because that's what they're there for. So this is what my thank you page consists of. So essentially, it's a headline saying your guide is on its way, and here's a simple system behind it. And I talk essentially about the system. It's a video version of the download. So the two things complement each other. So the download complements the video. So as you can see, the lead magnet gets delivered via email, and there are 7 series of follow-up emails in this particular sequence. And first of all, it refers people back to the training to make sure they've seen the training and if there's any other questions that they may have. And this is really where follow-up matters. And if you've ever heard the phrase, the fortune's in the follow-up, it's true, because follow-up is so important. And that's why it's so important to get people not just on your email list, but also give them opportunities to contact you. So what I do with there, I also put together a calendar so people can schedule a call with me on Zoom, a one-to-one meeting on Zoom, and that really breaks down a lot of the barriers to either get somebody signed up as a new member or new subscriber or new customer, whatever it is, or for someone to say, you know what, this really isn't for me, thanks very much, let's not waste anyone's time. So it really sort of defines things. So there are all different types of lead magnet funnels you can put together, but essentially just keep it simple, get your message across, and give the people the information that they're looking for. So this is behind the scenes in my funnel builder. And what I can do, I can go to the widgets and I can drag in. So what you can see there, a simple daily routine, that's the heading. Okay, the press play and simply speakers is just a text widget with a bit of background color in it. Obviously that is the video, so I can just grab the video, pull that in, and just add the code for the video. In terms of the button, same thing, just get a button or just get the button widget, grab that, pull that in, okay, and it's as simple as that. So as you see, that button produced a pop-up. So if I go to where it says pop-ups, so again, this is the pop-up. So again, using the same principles, using the headline, using the image, I created this in the AI software that I use, and the form is configured to go through to my email software. And you can make this as easy or you can be as creative as you want to be in this. Now, if you're a beginner, there's a real simple hack to getting these done really quickly. So what I'll do, I'll go to funnels and I'll show you how to do a new one. So I'll go to add new step. If I go to page, so if we were doing a book giveaway, sort of similar to what I've just done there, you can see all the different kind of mock-ups for book giveaways, for those kind of lead magnets. And again, if you've got something like this, I mean, this is nice and simple and straightforward. We'll go and select that. We're going to add that in. We'll just call it book, and we'll add that in, and that will give us the framework for the actual page. And this is fine. This is absolutely fine. You can change your images here. You can change the way the form looks. You can pretty much change whatever you like to fit you, to fit your brand. But it's quick, and that's the important thing. It's quick and simple to do. So in terms of the thank you page, again, simple sort of scenario. There's the headline. So I'll go to where the widgets are. So there's the heading, there's the text widget, the video, and the button. And essentially the button, when you're an affiliate marketer, just goes through to either the sales page or the checkout page of whatever affiliate program you're promoting. And it's as simple as that. So you've got people on your list, you're talking to people, you're developing relationships with people through your list, and you're also showing them your affiliate product at the same time. So this is being built inside the Home Business Academy. Now, it doesn't matter what niche you're in or whatever you do. You could have an offline shop, for instance, selling, I don't know, baby clothes, or you can be in network marketing, affiliate marketing. Everybody who's online needs some kind of funnel and some kind of funnel builder. And in today's day and age, everybody is conscious of cash flow and cutting those costs. Now, what you can see here does everything that any funnel builder, any funnel building tool, any software tool will do for you, but this is $25 a month. It's really low cost. It's hosted on Amazon S3, which means it's really fast, and it also pays 80% commissions when you recommend it to somebody else, which means if you get one sale, you almost cover your costs. With 2 sales, you're in profit. So I see this as a win-win situation for anybody. And if you're watching this right now and you're thinking, I want something to do, I need to provide more income for myself for retirement, what do I do? This is one of the affiliate programs that I absolutely recommend. Not just because it helps people to build sales funnels that convert and pages just like this, but because it provides that residual income on the back end as well. So if you've got more questions about this, just go to the first link below and you can find out more information about this. You can actually have a look at this funnel for yourself, see how it works, have a look at the download, and just learn more about the funnel builder and learn more about funnels in general. If you have any questions in the meantime, just let me know in the comments below. I always read and answer my comments. And if you got some value from this, hit the subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. We'll talk soon. Bye for now.